And multiple CCTV pictures of the attacker have now surfaced. We try to put together the dots and create a timeline of the events. CCTV images on your screen show how the attacker traveled on the 16th of January, the day he attacked Saif. In the first window, you can see the attacker climbing up the stairs of Saif's residence at 1:37 a.m. Less than an hour later, he can be seen rushing down the stairs, allegedly after stabbing Saif. Then he was spotted again in Bandra, walking with folded hands, clearly looking anxious. He goes on to what looks like a mobile repair shop in a market in Bandra. He is then spotted again at a railway station in Mumbai. However, the time of this video is unknown. Well, the probe intensifies in Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case. On the 16th of January, Saif Ali Khan's Bandra residence was the target of a violent attacker. The actor was rushed to the hospital by his elder son Taimur after being stabbed 6 times. Investigators are probing the stabbing with key CCTV pictures highlighting the attacker's movements. In the latest, 2 more images of the suspected attacker has emerged. Multiple cameras accessed by India Today shows the assailant climbing up the fire exit at 1:37. By 2:33 a.m., the attacker is seen exiting the building after the assault. CCTV pictures reveal that he was in Bandra for at least 5 hours after the attack. He was spotted at a railway station in Mumbai. Cops suspect that the accused had taken a local or express train from Bandra railway station and had gone to places around Mumbai or outside. Amid all of this, another video of the detained suspect, Shahid, has surfaced where he can be seen stealing 2 pairs of shoes from a residential building in Versova.
उस मामले में पुलिस की तफ्तीश जारी है। पुलिस ने इसके बारे में आपको ब्रीफिंग भी दिया है। बहुत क्लूज पुलिस को मिले हैं। मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस जल्दी इस केस को झीरो डाउन करेगी।
आणि तुम्ही नंतर पूर्ण माहिती न घेता वेगवेगळ्या न्यूज चालवल्या तो तुमचा अधिकार आहे। काही जण म्हणले मुंबईमध्ये कायदा सुव्यवस्था ढासळली। ज्यावेळेस त्या खोलात आपण गेलो, तपास केला, ती व्यक्ती पण आपल्याला सापडलेले सीसीटीव्हीमध्ये क्लिअर दिसली। अजूनही चौकशी चाललेली की तो आत कसा गेला, तो चोरीच्या इराद्याने गेला का त्यांच्यातल्या कोणी त्यांना इन्व्हॉल्व होतं, त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तपासून घेतल्या जातात।
सैफ अली खान के बारे में सुन के हम सबको बहुत शॉक लगा है। सो आई रियली होप दे फाइंड दिस गाय और एक सीख मिलनी चाहिए कि ऐसी चीज़ें मतलब आसानी से यू कैन नॉट गेट अवे विथ इट और मुंबई पुलिस में वो क्षमता है कि उसको ढूंढ निकालेंगे।
Anita Brito getting in more details on that big story we are tracking very closely. Anita, as far as the health of the actor is concerned, give us a sense of what is now being said. I understand that he's going to be released from the hospital by Monday. What more are you learning?
You're absolutely right. This is what we have heard from our sources who spoke exclusively to India Today, saying that, there are chances that the actor will be discharged on Monday. So far, his progress is very good in terms of, his health. The last update that we got from the doctors yesterday was that, he walked, he took a couple of steps, and he also ate well and also was smiling. So this is a very, very good progress for a person like Saif Ali Khan, who was stabbed not 1 but 6 times. So this is a good progress according to the doctors. But still, they want to keep him under observation, and post that they will take a call. As of now, Monday is the day that they have decided, or they are talking about discharging him on Monday. But only once they are very, very sure that the actor will, recover quickly once he's released from the hospital. Only then they will take a final call. Even after that, even after he's been discharged on Monday, he's been asked to have, take complete bed rest for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So this till Saif recovers, he will be here at his Bandra residence where he will be recovering. Neha.
All right. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Anita getting us up to speed with those details as far as Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case is concerned. There's one more person who's been detained. This is the very latest news that we have for our viewers. Probe intensifies in the Saif Ali Khan attack case. In the latest, Saif's wife, Kareena Kapoor Khan, has recorded a statement with the Bandra police. The attacker, however, still remains at large. Kareena has recorded this statement saying that when the attack happened, the children and women were sent to the 12th floor. She said that Saif tried to save the women and children, and when he intervened, the attacker could not reach Jahangir. She told the cops that the attacker did not steal anything from the house. He was just very aggressive. Also said that the attacker attacked Saif several times. She said, "I was scared after the attack, so Karishma took me to her house." Meanwhile, the accused who attacked Saif is still on the run for over 60 hours. A team of 28 police officials is on the hunt now to nab the accused.
करीना कपूर ने अपना बयान जो बांद्रा पुलिस के अफसरों को दिया है उसमें उन्होंने ये बताया है कि जब उन्होंने आवाज सुनी वो और सैफ भागकर उस आवाज की तरफ बढ़े, तब उन्होंने देखा कि एक आदमी हथियार लिए वहां पर खड़ा है और उनकी जो मेड है वो भी वहां पर खड़ी थी। उसके बाद सैफ ने औरतों और बच्चों को बचाने के लिए बीच में गए और तब उस हमलावर ने उन पर बार बार वार किए। डर की वजह से वो बहुत ही डर गई थी। जो आरोपी था जिसने अटैक किया सैफ अली खान पर, वो बहुत आक्रामक था, वो बार बार वार करते रहा। सैफ लहूलुहान हो गए थे। करीना कपूर डर गई थी। इस वजह से उनकी बहन करिश्मा कपूर उन्हें अपने घर ले गई। इंसिडेंट के बाद जो औरतें थी उस वक्त घर में, उन्हें तुरंत ही 12वीं मंजिल जो उनके पेंट हाउस है उसकी 12वीं मंजिल पर ले जाया गया। ये स्टेटमेंट कल शाम बांद्रा पुलिस के अफसरों ने करीना कपूर का रिकॉर्ड किया है। अब सैफ अली खान का भी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा जब डॉक्टर परमिशन देंगे तब।